Hello there everybody, and this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. So today we're going to talk about what should I learn first, the programming language or the framework? Well, this question I got it the other day, and it's a common question I've get through time, is that they tell me, hey Felix, I've been coding for some time now, I want to learn some frameworks. There's new things out there like Vue, React, Angular, due to the demand and popularity. So what should I do? So today I'm going to show you my take on this subject, and I'm going to give you a technique that is going to help you not only learn the framework, but also learn it faster and not feel frustrated like this learning process is very hard and wanting to quit how to code and making it very pleasant. So let's get started. Sorry about that. So what I always tell my my students and people who ask me this question is that you should learn the programming language first. And I'm going to tell you why. Because the programming language has essential concepts and ideas that build the framework. Or let's put it this way, that the framework is built upon. For example, now that it's very popular, we have the React framework, we have Vue, we have Angular. These are all JavaScript frameworks. So they are all built on top of JavaScript as a programming language. So you should first learn how to declare variables in JavaScript, how to do for loops, decision structures, among other ideas. And you should also learn like how does JavaScript work? How does it interact with HTML? How does it work with the DOM? And all those concepts that make it valuable. Because when you start hearing some concepts like server-side rendering, that may sound intimidating. If you learn your fundamentals of the programming language, they're not gonna scare you, because they're just variations of the concepts. So to illustrate this idea, I came up with this analogy, and it's the analogy of the basketball player. So let's say that you want to learn how to play basketball. So first you can dunk like those people on TV and like start doing fakes and all that stuff. You first have to learn the basics. You have to learn how to dribble the ball properly. You have to learn how to shoot it properly, right? Before you can start doing those fancy plays. And once you dominate the fundamentals, you're going to be able to do your own plays. You're going to be able to pass the ball through the back, go ahead and pass it to the center. Once you know the fundamentals of the game, not to get too technical here, but what I want you to take away is master the fundamentals. Master the main ideas. And once you master that, everything is going to be just a variation of it. It's just going to be applying them. So this is going to make you understand frameworks real fast, and also it's going to make it even easier when you want to go ahead and transfer from one framework to the other, because it's the same like it has the syntax, or like the underlying idea is going to be rooted on the particular programming language. So if you do this, you're going to go ahead and be able to master the framework. So go now tying the basketball analogy to this is that, let's say learning how to dribble, right? So you need to first learn how to do the variables in JavaScript, which is just it's gonna relate to the basketball analogy. You need to first do the simple things on the programming language, how it works, and then you go ahead and do the framework. So you do this, Gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle. You're gonna be less stressed, and you're gonna love the process of coding, which is beautiful. You know, making applications is awesome. So there you have it, guys. It's just a short video today, and just answering the age-old question is, what should I learn first? Is it the programming language or the framework? And my advice to you is learn the programming language first. Master the fundamentals, and then go ahead and learn the framework. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of stress, a lot of hassle, and it's going to make the learning process even easier. So there you have it, guys. So if you like this video and you get some value from it, go ahead and click that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this one I post every week, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and click that bell icon so you don't miss a video. Oh, and also, before I forget, if you're a computer science student, I have this, I'm going to put the link on the description below. I have this LinkedIn group where I designed a community to help computer science students succeed. So I just, sorry about that. So I go ahead and post resources, any other type of tools to help computer science succeed. Also, if you're not a computer science student in college, you can still go ahead and join, because the main idea is to help people who are learning how to code and just create a community where we help out each other. So go ahead and join the group, and see you in the next video, guys. This was Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. Take care.